A St. Joseph man is sentenced for his role in a drug trafficking conspiracy. 32-year-old Christopher Dean Parton is sentenced to 15 years in federal prison without parole after he pleaded guilty to a variety of drug and weapons charges. A news release from the U.S. Department of Justice says Parton admitted to being part of a drug trafficking ring based in Kansas City. It says Parton brought 2 kilos of methamphetamine to St. Joseph every week for more than a year and was part of a $4 million operation that distributed more than 520 kilos of meth throughout the region. Parton is among 25 defendants charged in the case and is the first to be sentenced.